Boulogne-Billancourt.
हाँ ये आपके सामने इसके सामने जो कमर्शियल एरिया है कोर्ट ये जनाब आपका PSG का शॉप है. इस तरह शॉप और what shops.
And the street who go to the stadium is named Street of the Commandant Guilbault.
Okay.
Guilbault Commandant, this side.
Okay.
You can read it. Guilbault.
So this is Centre Sportif Geo André State. What's there?
Commandant Guilbault Street.
Okay, that's the name of the street. And we will go this way?
You take the photo for that. After, when I go.
Okay.
Yes. Just the right.
Boulogne Billancourt Department des Hautes.
Boulogne-Billancourt is the department of the stadium.
Okay. Yeah.
You can see Commandant Guilbault.
Yes.
Street.
Yes. So the commandant.
okay?
Yes.
Yes. This is the stadium.
So आपका ये मेरी राइट साइड पर भी स्टेडियम शो देगा. PSG स्टेडियम है और बड़ा फेमस फ्रांस का स्टेडियम. और ये मैं ऑल द वे इंशाल्लाह ताला का मुझे यहाँ से इस वक्त शॉपिंग के लिए तो आपके लिए शर्ट लेने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. ये PSG स्टेडियम है. अब ये
Here is Paris. Paris Saint-Germain.
Yes.
You see Paris. The Parc des Princes.
Yes.
This is the name of the stadium.
What's the name of the stadium?
Parc des Princes.
Parc,
Look,
yes.
le Parc des Princes.
Yes.
Ici, c'est
Parc
Paris.
des Princes.
Here is Paris.
Paris Saint-Germain.
The symbol of Paris Saint-Germain is this one.
This is the shape of the stadium.
This one.
La Parc des Princes.
Paris Saint-Germain. The symbol, yes. Ah, it's okay. Okay. That one.
Yes.
Let's go to the entrance.
Yeah. I wish there is some shop.
When you
open
buy
there.
the ticket and the shops is this side. Paris Saint-Germain.
I wish.
You can go out, take photo.
And that's the stadium. Paris. We see if we can find a shop over here. Entrance shop.
But the shop I think is closed.
Maybe nearby any shop.
1 minute.
Tell me about this place.
C'est la place
Okay.
du stade des Parcs des Princes de PSG.
Okay.
PSG is Paris
Paris.
Saint-Germain.
Germain.
Paris Saint-Germain.
German. And,
Voilà.
And do you know the name of the people appearing behind me? Any one of them?
Parisian?
Yeah,
the
football.
name.
Mbappe I can see.
Mbappe.
Messi I can see.
Messi.
Neymar Jr. I can see.
Yes, this is the Italian whose name.
Okay,
The Italian.
players. And then very famous footballers. So let's
Yes.
go and find a